حدثنا محمد بن السلام قال أخبرنا عبدا عن هشام عن أبي عن عائشة قالت كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا أمرهم من الأعمال بما يطيقون قالوا إنا لسنا كهيئتك يا رسول الله إن الله قد غفر لك ما تقدم من ذنبك وما تأخر فيغضب حتى يعرف الغضب في وجهه ثم يقول إن أتقاكم وعلمكم بالله أنا. Whenever Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered the Muslims to do something, he used to order them deeds which were easy for them to do according to their strength and endurance. They said, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we are not like you. Allah has forgiven your past and future sins. So Allah's apostle became angry and it was apparent on his face. He said, I am the most Allah fearing and know Allah better than all of you do. Sahih al-Bukhari 20.